All right, what's each product? Well, 8 times -1 is -8. That shouldn't be much of a secret. 4.3 times -2.9. Well, I'm going to go out on a limb here and say negative times positive is negative, so we know that. So now I can just do the calculation of 4.3 times 2.9, knowing that it will be negative, and then saying 9 times 3 is 27, carry the 2. 9 times 4 is 36, plus the 2 is 38. 0 placeholder, that's done. 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8, and we've got 12.47. Why is it 12.47? Because there's 2 digits behind a decimal here in the total problem, so there's 2 in the answer, and we get 12.47. And it was negative, so negative 12.47, or negative 12 and 4700. Okay? And finally, what's the product? You can multiply it across and get 50 over 30, and then divide top and bottom by 10 to get 5 over 3. Or we could do this, and we could say, oh, what if we, instead of multiplying first, let's say we canceled first, dividing top and bottom by 10. See how we did that in this step? We're going to do it here before we ever multiply. Divide this by 10, we get 1. Divide this by 10, we get 1. Now when you multiply straight across, 5 times 1 is 5, 1 times 3 is 3, and either way, you still get that answer, simplified answer of